Do you remember the first day when you touched colors? It was probably the first day of your school when you were introduced to the magic of colors. The biggest misconception about art is that you need to join an art school to be an artist, or you need to be a professional to start coloring. But you can actually take your love for art forward at any stage of your life. You just need to enjoy your passion and take your own baby steps and learn from basics and create your own masterpiece. As painting is a colorful therapy that anyone can do, and our own mistakes become beautiful learnings in future. Hi, I'm Alika Bhatt and I welcome you to Paint with me. So grab your colors and let me take you in a colorful journey where I'll walk you through the entire process in step-by-step technique with my personal guidance and support in my online art classes with other exclusive content specially designed for beginners and art lovers. The link is in the description box below. So get ready to explore the hidden goodness in you, and I'll see you very soon.